Hi. I heard recently that Hello Neighbor 2 was released, and I don't really think I want to be paying $60 for a game that's potentially going to be really crap. But let me know in the comments section if you guys want to see me play the game. I'd gladly record it, but it's just I will have to convince the boss, if you know what I mean. How do we do, Lee? It's ReeseW here, and welcome to House Flipper, a game that I'm pretty sure came out in 2022 or 21. I have some mates who play this game, and they tell me that I should install it. So I have. Here I am. Hopefully those people will watch my video. But let's just start.
Welcome to House Flipper. This game will allow you to buy, renovate, decorate, and sell houses.
That's great.
For now, however, you need to be content
With this, that you can call your office.
and the laptop that is command
Center. That is your command center. Wow, I cannot read. But oh my god, what the controls? Why is there like a delay? I don't like that. Is there like a setting? I don't think so. Oh well, okay, let's clean up. How do I do this? What is that? Press RT to dispose. Oh, okay. Where am I storing this? In my giant plastic bag in my pocket? Okay, let's see. Cleaning not available yet. Oh! Okay then. Do we have electricity at least? I don't want to pick it up. I want... No, you know what? Never mind. Let's just... Oh.
your laptop. The laptop will allow you to find jobs, buy houses, and switch between them. You cannot afford to buy a house yet, but it looks like you already have your first email.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna call this laptop Tori. Thank you, Tori. Email. Sarah Lewis.
Hey, Lois.
Topic: ex-boyfriend stole the radiator from my house. Wait, so are we in America? I'd like to hire your company to put my house in order. I know that from the photos posted on Face Spam that my ex-boyfriend broke into my house, made a huge mess, and stole the radiator for some reason. It is possible that some other things are missing too. Please clean up the house and replace the missing appliances. I would ask you to inform the police about the whole matter. I don't know how to. I will settle myself with my ex-boyfriend after returning from a business trip. Regards, Sarah Lewis. Okay, Miss Lewis. The name of this game, House Flipper, kind of reminds me of a song that the Beatles created, which was Day Flipper. And when I get to editing, I'll probably put it on. But let's just have a look at the house. Yeah, we're definitely sitting in the 19-somethings because there are no fences around this house. Can we exit and just like wander around the neighborhood? Oh, okay, stay. Here we go. So, let's open up this thing without, oh my goodness. What? He said a mess. This isn't a mess, this is an abomination. What kind of bedroom is this? Why would you have this here? Ugh, okay. Bathroom. Okay, I was gonna say it doesn't look too bad, but Grandma has been drinking wine again. This is a small house. We don't swear, children. Okay, let's just, oops, RT. So, what does this say? Remove trash. Okay, I'm on it. What did I call my computer? Oh yeah, Tori. I'm on it, Tori. I mean, maybe I should say Sarah, because she's the one, that wanted me to do this stupid job. Can we get some background information, by the way, as well? I don't know how I got into this, made my own business. And then what? Oh, okay, clean dirt. With what? Do I have, like, an inventory? Wait, what is that? Oh, LT to switch to cleaning. Oh, okay. This game kinda reminds me of that other game called Evil Science. Science! Also, is this game a beta or an alpha? Maybe that was a stupid question because I feel like there should be animations for all of this. I would definitely play this game more if there were like more animations. I guess. Come on. Can I clean you? Okay, maybe that's meant to look like that. Alright, okay, I see. Now what? Clean dirt. I have. Oh wait, the rooms. Right. Let's clean. Wow, I love how this bed has no mattresses, and I don't know how the hell this person is reading newspapers. Okay, that's radiator 1. God, this room does not match this entire house. Let's just go back to Grandma's wine. Yep. Okay. And then, am I finished? Maybe I'm just gonna move some things around. Hold on. Am I crouching? Do you want to... No. Hold to pick up. Maybe, we'll put this right here. Why can I not? Yes. Right there. Okay, I see. So the categories change. Okay, remove trash. Alright, I see what's going on. Yeah, thank you. I didn't even get to read that. So, yeah, I'm improving, thanks. So what is this? Oh, so I get an iPad now. Your bathroom is finished. Can I stop doing that? Alright. Clean dirt. What other dirt? Oh, wait, maybe this counts? Oh, yeah, it is. And then is this dirt as well? Oh, yeah. Okay, I thought those were, what do you call those? Paint marks. I think I'm finished. Clean dirt. Is there dirt on here? Can I stop doing that? How do I close this? What dirt is there to clean up? Is that dirt? No, those are thingy things. What dirt? I don't see any more dirt. Please, leave me alone. There is no more dirt to clean. Is it behind this door? Come on. What am I doing wrong? Have I like half cleaned a place? And then now it's like invisible for me to see. Oh, this is... Oh, yeah, I knew it. Okay. Let's, switch. Yep. Come on. And, mount devices. What does that mean? How do I do that? Do I, is there something in my inventory? No? Okay, let's just turn this around. How do I mount devices? Oh wait, what? What was that? Why can I not jump sometimes? Oh, I can. I need to press X, not A. This isn't making enough sense. Can I just put this right here? Yes? No, I don't want to sit down. Get off your ass. We have work to do, Colin. I'm gonna name my character Colin. Alright. Right there. This can go up here. Yep, perfect. This house is in much better condition. And then this couch here can be moved to right here. I'm choking. Ah! Oh no, I need to get it back into its position. Right here. This. This is frustrating. No! How do I do stuff? Oh, here we go. And then X. Oh, RT. I'm still learning, guys. Okay. Mount devices. I didn't look at the... tablet. Change the tool. How do I mount stuff? Oh, mount devices. The radiator. Oh, I'm stupid. I thought it was telling me to plug the TV in. Give me this. Can I get a? Oh, yep. Can I? What size does the? What size does this need? Maybe small. I'll put a small one here. Okay. Let's quickly just get it again. Yeah, I have enough money. Buy now, and it'll just, yeah, it'll magically just appear in front of me. You can buy radio. Yep. Okay. A bomb. Yep. Assemble. Okay. How does this work? Please tell me how this works. Oh, I just have to. Oh, this is the perfect experience ever. I just have to hold one button. Okay. I mean, what else can you do? You can't, like, crawl into the TV like that weird woman with the long hair.
What?
Okay, so is that working now?
You have completed 100% of the job.
Yes. Oh, goodness. Okay. Alright, this game seems fun. It's just I can't read. Oh, it looks like I need to clean my own bloody house. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, let's see what's up in here. Can I clean this? Oh, well, I can. Okay, hold on. I need to clean the trash first. Or the rubbish. Oh, no. Why is this so difficult? Dispose. I don't think I need to read very blurry news. What else is there? I think that's it. Can I change these? Or is that only on the computer version, or have I just not unlocked it yet? You know what, let's just start cleaning my bathroom, because it looks like Shrek bloody diarrhea everywhere. Why can I not clean this? Please? What? Can I... Wait, LT? Yeah? Oh, okay. No, I don't want to pick it up. Oh, okay, fine. Alright. It's straight now, and I don't seem to have a body. Okay, that's completely not concerned. And I am going to split the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and comment if you have any game suggestions. I could be recording Hello Neighbor 2 because I found out that it's actually on Xbox Game Pass. So yeah, I won't need to convince anybody. If you're looking forward to that, hit the like button on this video. And yeah, I'll see you then.